How are you guys feeling today? Good. It's a bit chilly out there, but yeah, it was kind of like spitz walking this morning and stuff. So. The state of this car. We are here! I'm so excited for this space. Everything's ours, dude. So 6 placement and 6 coasters, bro.
What is it?
I mean, for us to use. So the food here, we have fish and chips, and then the natural oysters, and then what's
Hot and cold oysters.
Hot oysters, cold oysters. There's wild caught tuna. Wild caught tuna, and we have Riesling as well. It's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dude, I'm so full. Do you take the wine?
Yeah.
Why everything in globs?
Because very cold, so it's not.
I know lah, but I'm just saying that maybe. Wow, that looks like a slug. Good morning! It is day 4 of our Adelaide trip.
Day 4?
Yeah, it's day 4. And she's currently writing a PhD paper.
I'm not writing a PhD paper, dude. She's writing an application for.
Yeah, isn't it a PhD paper
It's
then?
not, dude. PhD paper is different.
Anyways, yeah, she's doing that. And then we had a pre-breakfast this morning. Mom is currently outside roaming so she can spot a kangaroo, because apparently there are like 50 kangaroos on this property. So we're listening to the Sydney Opera now, and last night we listened to Frank Sinatra and it was so good. Like, they have a CD of his classics and that was so nice. But yeah, last night all of us just KO'd because we were so tired. I think we all slept at like 10.
You're still recording.
Yes, I am still recording. Anyway.
My babies did me
Did you go?
breakfast.
When you make such comments, there's a lot of people making comments like that. But it's actually perfectly normal. It's supposed to be like that.
It's like almost 11. Actually, it's 11 now. And we're going off to Port Lincoln. Probably get some Wi-Fi because Tizza needs to send something. And then we're gonna go mosey around Port Lincoln. And I think that's going to be the whole day. Where's Sammy?
Where's the phone?
Sam? We're supposed to go to this place to walk, right? We are going next, but yeah, Mama wants to walk the street. Can walk, Mama? We're just gonna walk and it's like free and easy today, but yeah, check back later. We're huddling up. We're walking to the pier, Mom. They made it into a pool for the public. Yeah, and it's part of the sea as well, so that's pretty cool. How about it on your ice cream? You say it's like Ikea's ice cream. By the way, my head is frozen. Anyway, so I am making pasta now. We're back at the apartment. I'm making pasta, spinach pasta, and then Tizia's gonna help out in the kitchen. We're making mussels tonight as well. Mom's gonna make the mussels. And we're going to have a beautiful home-cooked dinner tonight. And yeah, hopefully it turns out really well because I need a blender and I do not have a blender. I'm just gonna use a knife.
Can I eat the cheese now? The smelly cheese, I
Sure.
there.
Oh yeah,
The spinach cheese is there, by the way.
yeah, we're supposed
I am pureeing up the spinach.
Sammy?
Mom. Okay, so the chorizo and the garlic are chopped. Pasta. This one's for the mussels.
Should I put some milk inside here, Jack?
I think you put a bit.
No.
Pasta is so nice, bro. Thank you. Don't know that I still have it overseas then. So it's another late start in the day. It's 11:30 now. We're going to buy fresh seafood from Port Lincoln. You wanna say anything from the back there? Cool. Okay. We made it into town, guys. We're going shopping.
Where are we going? I'm actually hungry already.
We're going to the visitor center to see if there are soft toys there. We're in the fish place, the fresh fish place now, and we're thinking of what to buy. We're probably gonna get like oysters and prawns. There's smoked stuff.
You don't want to get a smoked something.
Yeah, we
Wait,
should try.
sandwich is very nice.
Oysters, fish.
More fish and chips. Mine can sit on that special chair.
Park somewhere.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fries. So important. So they gave us a bag of ice and Tete has all the produce. Look. Guess what we did? Ice cream.
I'm not proud.
No, she is.
The amount of shit that we've been eating on this trip is... I don't know.
We also went to Woolworths to get some stuff for tonight, and we're also rushing to
Sandview National Park.
yeah, because it's 4 o'clock and it gets dark around like 5:30.
Whoa, that's a full rainbow all the way. Double rainbow. Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna try to ascend that hill over there. Oh shit! There's more somewhere down there. Oh my god, damn nice. Yeah. Let's go. Yes, Mom. So we just got back from walking in the sand dunes, and now we're going to make dinner. Okay, so it's finally done. We have chips and cheese, capsicum, tomatoes, fennel, the emperor fish and the nanny guy, and then the oysters and the calamari, and we have wine, tomatoes and mushrooms as well. Woohoo! Yay!
Excuse me, everybody.
I guess nobody's finishing the wine, so I guess it's party time.
Good night.
Place is in a little bit of a mess.
Guys, you know what? This is such a good day.
It's our last day, and I look really bundled up, but yeah. So it's our last day here. Not even last, but like we're leaving.